Hello, in this video we will learn about how to make selection in AutoCAD. So there are various methods to make selection in AutoCAD, and first we will learn about window selection. For example, I will click here and I will drag this mouse toward my right, and you can see here this blue window selection. This kind of selection will only work when the object completely fall under this selection. For example, I am dragging this and you can see there are two circle and one rectangle is going to select because it is completely fall under this selection, and rest of circle and rectangle are not going to select yet because these are not completely fall under this selection. And I am going to drag this and you will see here now again third number of circle is also get selected, and yet rectangle is not selected because it is not completely fall under this selection. Okay, and let me just drag this one here and now it is going to select it. Okay, again I want to just go here and you will notice that these two rectangle and the circle both are not going to select it just because of these are not under this selection. So I will click here and you will notice that three circle and two rectangle are going to select it. So in this type of selection object should fall under that selection area. Okay, so now I will just escape this one and let's see next method. I will just click over here and I want to drag this mouse toward my left. Okay, and now you can see this is the window selection, but this is called as green window selection. Okay, in this type of selection, if this selection will touch any object, that particular object will be selected. As you can see here, when I just touch this selection as this circle, it is going to select it, highlighted. You can see here now this rectangle and this circle, again this rectangle. Okay, these two, this circle and this rectangle is not under this selection yet, but these are going to select it. I will click over here and you will notice that these two are also got selected. So in this type of selection, when it touch the object, that will be selected. Okay, so that is a basic difference between both of these selection, one from right to the left and another from left to the right. Okay, now let's see the next option in selection. I will click over here and at the command line you can see it is prompting as specify opposite corner, and some of the options you can see here as fence and W polygon mean window polygon and C polygon. So we will look about these options as well. So for example, I want to select as window polygon. Okay, so I will click over here and you can see it is converted into line right now, and we will just see what is this window polygon. For example, I want to select right now this circle and this rectangle for now. Okay, so in this case I can use this selection. Okay, I will click over here and you can see it is converted here. Okay, now I will click over here and here and here. Okay, this is window selection. Okay, now I will click over here and I want to select as this point as well, this one and this one, and then I will hit enter. Now you can see here these two rectangle and just this circle is got selected. Okay, so this is what window polygon is. Okay, let's see the next option here. I will just escape this one and again I will just make a selection here and I will just select this C polygon. So I will click over here and you will notice that it is turned into green selection mode. So I will just click over here and you can see here whenever it will touch the object got selected. Okay, I will click here and this point, for example this point, okay, and this point, and then I will hit enter. Now these four objects are going to select it. Okay, this is what C polygon option. Now let's see the next option, that is fence option. I will click over here and I will just select this one, and now you can create a fence around the object. Okay, for example, I want to select this one, and here this one. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now these particular object are going to select it in fence option. So these were some options regarding selection. I hope you understand this session.